morning, friends. Happy Monday. It's bi-weekly payroll, and per usual, I am running late, so we're going to go in. Sugar cookie by Javi. Trying to make this quick. I'm so pleasantly surprised because my little baby Squish packed my lunch last night. So, wedding ring back, other rings gone. I cannot believe I literally from a month ago from yesterday had my ring at K Jewelers and I just picked it up, which is bananas because it's my wedding ring and I love this ring. Isn't it just gorgeous? Okay. No time for jibber jabber. Syrup. Caramel sauce. We are going to do Girl Scout cookie today, so white chocolate. Caramel creme. Coconut. Sugar cookie coffee. And my ice maker was out of ice this morning, so I used the ice that I had in the freezer. Hate it. Cake batter protein. I am a nugget ice snob now. It's official. Enjoy. Have a great day, you guys. Almost said a bad word. All right, let's go process these paychecks, people. Bye.